Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PIR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning and just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to, risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be done, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly what happened here with the 82-cent mark. Price broke above it. You would want to see it act as support, and then you can see this afternoon an absolutely beautiful job. You could throw this right into a textbook of a classic example of a former resistance now acting as support, and then the final 30 minutes, the volume came pouring in today and got the nice move with it. So going forward, 82 cents is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you ask me, Clay, what would make the chart look the absolute best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above 82 cents. But with that being said, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or anything. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. So as the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way to judge the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 82 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact that the party finally stopped today up there at 95 cents. So 95 will be public enemy number 1 going into Wednesday. All in all, though, as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher bases like this one's been doing over the past few days, everything else is going to continue to take care of itself. And who knows, maybe this thing is headed back up over $1. We'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.